Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML, and right now we'll be discussing about how JavaScript can change the value of the src attribute of an image in the HTML document. So quickly, let me explain this to you very well. In the example right here, we are having JavaScript. JavaScript can change attributes. That is, when we use document.getElement by ID, and we specify the ID value along with the dot source attribute here, along with the value we are saying is equal to something, definitely this is going to change the source attribute value. So quickly, let me explain how it works. Back to our document here, we are having an empty document right here, and we are having plain body right here. Nothing here. So quickly, let's import two images. This, as I've discussed about image, you can check our previous tutorial on image tag. Deep things you need to understand about it, I've explained it there, so you can watch our playlist, different playlists on this thing. So quickly, let's specify one image. Let's put Bob. This one we have Bob on, and the second one can have Bob off, right? So quickly, we have the two images, which is Bob on and Bob off. This is Bob off. So in our document, we are having the two images. Let me open it for you. We are having this one, pic_bob off dot jpg gif, and this one is underscore bob on dot gif. So those are the picture I'm importing into our document there. So let's save our document and see what will happen in our browser here. Can you see we're having the two image right here? So now let's say, for instance, now let's break the page so you can see what I'm talking about very well. This is one image and this is the off image. So this one is on, this one is off. This one in yellow is the one we name on, and this one is the one we name off. They will come, as you can see, up and down. So now we want to change this one at the top, which is the on status. We want to change it to off. We want to change this one at the off status. We want to change it to on. Let's quickly do that right now with our JavaScript. So it's only JavaScript we want to use right now. So we write script. Inside the script, let's write document.get element by what we want to use the ID. We haven't defined the ID yet. Quickly, let's come here and define ID. Let's give it image img. Let's give it img on, and this one also let's define ID there also. Let's give it ID and give it, let's give it ID and give it img off. So this one, img on img off, is the one we are going to use. So let's create a parenthesis after this get element by ID. Inside there, let's create double quote. Inside the double quote, then now write img what? Img on. This one is img on, and let's write another one also, which is for img off. This is for img off, and this one from the img on, we want to change the image from this img on. We want to change it to the image inside our img off here. Now copy the image attribute here, and you can even copy all these at once. Copy it at once. So when you copy it at once, just come here, write dot and place it here like this, and do like this. Save it. Understand? And also come here, carry all this again, copy it like this, and come here, let's dot and place it again, and save your document. Let's see what will happen. We have changed these images now. We copy the image here to this place, we have copied the image here to this place, and we copy the image here to this place using our what? Using our JavaScript. Quickly, let me show you how it will display now. Okay. This one at the top will come to the down, this one at the bottom will come to the top. Reload. Can you see? It works. That's how it works. Simple as ABC. That is to say, we changed it, we manipulated it using our JavaScript. So in our JavaScript, make sure you can put space here so that it can look neat. That's how it works. So that's how it works. That's the fundamental there. So that's what I want to show you guys now. I want you to understand this. So even again, not only src attribute you can change. Let's now say, for instance, now this image is lost, which is the image on, but I'm going to explain it for you in our future tutorial better. But for right now, let me firstly remove this image on. Now let's remove the image on. Let's see what will happen there. Can you see? No image on, which is the yellow one. Let's now place attribute. This attribute here, copy it. But before you copy it, firstly come here, carry this image on here, and specify attribute, because attribute is very important in HTML, right? Let's use this attribute in an HTML picture. Let's use the attribute and place it here. Let's now write image what? Image of lost. Let's just write lost there. Let's see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see image of lost is happened? So that's how we can manipulate our JavaScript and HTML together, along with whatever we want to do with it. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And in our next tutorial, we are going to do some crazy things with it, and you are going to see how it's going to work, because we are going to control all these two things with buttons, so you can have on and off status. So have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And today